Hi viewers, today we going to see Ayudh DC150 drain cleaning machine. This is Ayudh DC150 drain cleaning machine. Look like same, we have another model DC200. In this machine, you have handle to shift the machine. Once you remove the lock, same handle you can use like a accelerator. This is the power switch. You can control like a clockwise, anti-clockwise, both the rotation, the switch will operate. This is the single phase unit, 230 volt power supply, it's enough. Then with the machine, auger kits will come. You will get 4 type of augers and 1 lock pin key. Every auger is having different function. One auger for cloths, one thing for concrete, one thing for mud wastes. So every augers will work different functions. Spirals you will get 16 mm, 2.3 meter length, 5 pieces, and 22 mm spiral, 4.5 meter, 5 pieces. With this machine you will get 2 type of spirals, each 5 pieces. Now I will show you with the one spiral 16 mm. I am taking from the spiral bucket. One spiral I am going to insert in the machine. I will show you the running condition. Okay, so both the end will come heads. In that head you can fix the augers. I am inserting from the back side of the machine. Okay, so once spiral inserted, then take auger and connect into the spiral head. Okay. Want to fix properly. If it's not locked, then it's probably you will miss out in the pipe. So you want to put the set pin, you want to check every time if it's locked or not. If it's not locked, then it will be probably going to miss inside the pipe. So fix it properly, check it 2 times. Then we're going to give the power supply. So now machine is on, but spirals will never rotate. Why? Because I'm not giving acceleration. Now I'm going to give handle pressure, then spiral will rotate. This is clockwise. This machine don't have auto feeding. You want to insert manually. Rotation is happening. So now I am changing rotation to anti-clockwise. Work is done. Once inserted the spiral to the blockage pipe, then manually you want to push the spiral into the pipe. Then only it will go inside. Thank you.